Hello guys, it's still your favorite graphic designer Vixen Tech. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can identify and discover the name of a font using just your smartphone, even though you don't know the name of that font, even though you have not used that font to create a design. It is possible for you to identify or discover the name of that font. Now, the application that we are going to use to discover or identify the name of any font is called WhatTheFont. Kindly go to Play Store and search for WhatTheFont. Now, you've seen it. That is the second application, WhatTheFont. Go ahead and download it and also install it into your phone. Probably you stumbled on a design online and you like the fonts that were used to create that design. With the help of this application, you can identify the name of the fonts that were used to create that design. Now let's launch the application. So go ahead and launch it. Yes. Now, if the font was used to create a design, it means that the design is on your gallery. So kindly go to your gallery. Yes. For instance, this particular design, I want to identify the fonts that were used to create this design. That means that I'm going to do it one after the other. So let's search for ceremony. Yes, let's search for the font that was used to write the text ceremony. So click on this arrow. You are going to see several fonts that looks like what you are looking for. Usually the first 5 fonts are close to the original font. Yes, the first 5 fonts are similar to what you are looking for. That reminds me, ensure that your data is on. Yes, if your data is not on, you cannot make use of this application. So guys, as you can see, we have several fonts here. We have many fonts here. Like I previously mentioned, the first 5 fonts is similar to or are similar to the original font. The first 5 fonts look like the font you are searching for. For me, I'm going to download Object Black. Yes, that's the font I'm going to search for, because this particular font looks like what I'm searching for. So guys, for you to download this particular font, kindly go to Google. Although we have websites where you can download any font of your choice, like WhatTheFont, fontme.com, 1000font.com. There are many fonts. So let's search for Object Black font. Okay, it's already here. Now you see there are several websites where you can download this particular font. So click on this. So guys, as you can see, we've opened the website. Just go ahead and click on download free. Yes, click on download free. So guys, that is how it works. In case you don't know how to install fonts on your phone, go to my YouTube channel. I've already made a video on how you can install fonts on your mobile phone. It is very easy. Just go ahead and watch the video and you are going to learn how to install fonts into your mobile phone. So thank you guys. It's still your favorite graphic designer Vixen Tech. So guys, if you know that you've not hit the like button or the subscribe button, go ahead and hit it so that you can get notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.